is time to set up my June monthly calendar in my Laurel Denise planner. I am so down to the wire on this. I cannot believe I futzed around, if that's even a word, trying to figure out what stickers to get because I got the Cocoa Daisy June stickers. I'll link all this and write on the screen what all these things are. I have been watching these stickers and trying to subscribe for several months, and I finally got them. And I picked the Classic Cousin, oh, that's what it is, the Classic Cousin sticker set. So this is the June sticker set. And these are only, I think, weekly stickers. I don't think they're for the whole month. So then those were delayed and I hadn't purchased June stickers and it was a mess. So I did an order with Planner Kate, knowing that I know the stickers, and purchased a whole bunch of different things to use because I wasn't really sure what was gonna work with each other. So I'm gonna turn this around and let's get June set up. I cannot believe it. It is, what is today's date? It is the 19th of May. This is, I wanted this set up like, I don't know, 2 months ago. But everything got thrown out the window when I got this subscription, and I reached out to Cocoa Daisy and I said, when do you ship these? And they didn't ship it until I think this first week in May. And then I realized I didn't have the monthly and everything, got delayed. So it is what it is. It's totally okay. I've got plenty of time. The problem is that I'm traveling, so I won't be here to film this video. And I wanted you to see what I did for June. So I'm going to turn this around and we are going to set up my June 2026 Kristy month together. I am so excited to do this. I have a blank calendar that needs a lot of love for June. And I took the stickers out of the cellophane so it would not make a lot of noise. And let's take a look at what I got from Planner Kate. These are all new to me. I also want to mention that I have not done my nails. I plan on doing some press-on nails. I got all of these different styles, and so I'm trying to decide what to do. So please excuse my nails. I am really toying between these two because we're going to Europe, and I thought the lemons or the stripes with the lemons would be really cute. I could do these. I am loving these press-on nails. I'll link everything below, but anyway, I just wanted to mention it because I know I have seen many videos with ladies' nails so beautiful, and then their dips have grown out and someone comments something and negative, and I know my nails are a mess, so please excuse them. I'll try to keep them like this the whole time. Anyway, so I got for, I can't remember what month this is, but let's look. So I did get the monthly medium words because I was hoping to play with these with different banners or washi tape. So there's that. I love these. I didn't realize you could just buy them by themselves. So I bought the hellos because I love these stickers from Planner Kate. Okay, this is where I wanted to use this. So I was thinking of using this for June. I thought this was really fun. This is a make your own monthly, and it's I think it's the 7x9 size, and I'm hoping this will fit. And it has the days of the week. It doesn't have the holidays on this, but that's fine. And then I could use this on there. Now, I don't know if this is the same size as the previous month, so we'll have to check that out. So this is what I was thinking for. This is the sampler. So this is the make your own monthly. This is the sampler. Does this go with this one? Oh, I have so many, I don't know what I picked. Maybe, oh yeah, this is the same floral. So this goes together. And then I thought this was really fun. This is another make your own sampler monthly and a sampler that I could use for another month. So that goes together. Oh, this is what I got. I wanted the holidays because these don't come with the make your own. And so I thought these would be great to have for the monthly calendar when I don't. And then these were really great.
these are the like little calendars for the month. Aren't those great? So I thought that could be really fun and useful for something. I don't know what I would use this for, but I could use this in many of my different planners. And then, oh, this is the Scout Weekly. What did I get here? Oh, this is for July. So, oops, you're getting a preview of what I got for July. I went different for July. I went with the 7/9 monthly for July. And then this is the sampler. And then I'm trying the Scout Weekly to see if this one would fit better in the Kristy. It may not. And then this is the 7/9 monthly that I really like to use for the monthly. So we can set up July as well. I'm not going to do that now, but now you see everything that I have and what's to come. So this is what I'm thinking of. Oh, and then these. I got these brush strokes. These are days of the week, and then the numbers, and then these ones, flag headers, to go with this. This is a fun one. I just thought it'd be sort of see if I liked this instead for the Kristy, so I could test these out as well. Now it's all coming back to me what I ordered because I can't remember because it was so long ago and then it took forever to get here. So let's set this up and hope these things fit because I have no idea. Quickly before I do that, I wanted to show you the Cocoa Classic Cousin sticker set. So this is what you get. So you get this. I have to turn it over. I guess it goes like this. And then this is June. There's lots of boxes. These are for the weeklies. These are fun stickers. These are weekly stickers. And then these. I could use these on here as well to say June. So I don't know. That's why I kind of wanted the red to go with this. And I thought these florals could work together with it. I don't know. I was just trying to see what would work. And it doesn't really matter. But I love these little colors and everything. So let's use this and see how this goes and get June set up. So this is going to be a little bit longer than this. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay it down on the dotted line. Yeah, that's going to work. Ooh, it just fits. And ooh, it does. It goes right to the, oh, okay. So that fit. Look at that. That actually fit. Maybe I have to go in this way to make sure. Oh, see how that's not lined up? That's a little higher. It's totally fine. I'm okay with that. Wow. So you know, a 7/9 make your own monthly fits all the way across. And this is June. So I thought I would use this June. Let's check the size. So it's a little bigger than that one, but totally doesn't matter. Bubble words. And let's see, does it matter where it is on the, so it's just right up in here. So I guess I'll just do it like that. That's really cute. I like it. I like it a lot. A note here, you could bring this down and cover it along here and then put the days of the week on top of this sticker. So you could do that. I didn't do that. I didn't think about that. Just a decorating option. I really didn't think about that as an option. And this one is very tight and close. Because it feels like this one, if you look here, it's definitely a little higher. Ooh, I want to do something here. So I'm going to stop there. Which one do I want to do? This one? Yeah, let's do this one. And hopefully, if I was good. Ooh, I left just enough room. Look at that. That's amazing. That worked out perfectly. It's not perfectly straight, but that's fine. that gonna bother me? Maybe.
I am now so happy. Just having June, the layout set up, makes my heart pitter patter. So now I have this structure. I can come in here. I don't have to get back from vacation and stress over this. I can plug in all the things that I want. I can spend a little time today, tomorrow, just filling in the important things. Funny how June 21st is Father's Day and summer begins. So we've got two big stickers there. So I'm really glad I bought these, the holiday stickers, and then the Hello June, because, you know, and they don't all match, but I don't care. I think it's fun. It's happy. And now I can go into next month, fill this in with what I need to. I'm not big on the monthly. I don't know if you've seen what I've done in other months. I don't fill it out totally. There's lots of blank spaces and things, but just having it set up, knowing that I can go look at it, that it has happy stickers, makes me happy. So that is all I've got for you today for setting up June, showing you my new stickers. You definitely got a sneak peek at what's coming for July. So I'll be setting that up as soon as I get back so that July is all done. So that'll come as well. And I think that's all I've got for you. Thank you so much for being with me. As always, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Trying out these new stickers is going to be really fun. So June is going to be a totally different month. So definitely don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you're interested in how these stickers are going to work, because Cocoa Daisy's new to me and I'm using different ones for the months coming up because I want to just see what fits, what doesn't fit, and explore more for my Kristy. So thank you so much for being here for the June monthly, and I'll see you in the next video.